Ever wondered where your money goes when you use Revolut? It's a common question, and one that's not always easy to answer. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Revolut's banking partners and uncover the secrets behind their operations. Revolut has become a popular choice for banking, especially among younger generations. With its sleek app and attractive features, it's easy to see why. But one question that often pops up is, what bank does Revolut use? The answer is not as straightforward as you might think. Revolut doesn't actually have its own bank, but instead partners with a network of banks across the globe. This can be confusing, especially if you're new to the world of banking. Why does Revolut use multiple banks? There are a few reasons why Revolut chooses to partner with multiple banks. One reason is to comply with local regulations. Different countries have different banking laws, and Revolut needs to ensure that it is compliant with all of them. Another reason is to offer a wider range of services. By partnering with multiple banks, Revolut can offer its customers a wider range of products and services, such as currency exchange, international transfers, and investment options. Who are Revolut's banking partners? Revolut has a network of banking partners all over the world. Some of the most well-known partners include Lloyds Banking Group. Lloyds is one of the largest banks in the UK, and it has been Revolut's primary banking partner since 2017. Bank of Lithuania. Bank of Lithuania is the central bank of Lithuania, and it has been Revolut's partner since 2018. N26. N26 is a German neobank that has partnered with Revolut since 2018. Bunq is a Dutch neobank that has partnered with Revolut since 2018. This is just a small sample of Revolut's banking partners. The exact bank that your Revolut account is linked to will depend on your country of residence. How does this affect your money? The fact that Revolut uses multiple banks doesn't mean that your money is at risk. All of Revolut's banking partners are fully licensed and regulated, so your money is safe. However, it is important to be aware that your money may be held in different accounts at different banks. This means that if you need to access your money quickly, it may take some time for the funds to be transferred between accounts. What are the benefits of using Revolut? There are many benefits to using Revolut, including no monthly fees. Revolut does not charge any monthly fees for its accounts. Low transaction fees. Revolut offers low transaction fees, making it a great option for international travel. Wide range of features. Revolut offers a wide range of features, including currency exchange, international transfers, and investment options. Excellent customer service. Revolut has a team of dedicated customer service representatives who are always ready to help. Revolut is a great option for anyone looking for a convenient and affordable banking solution. While it may not have its own bank, it partners with a network of reputable banks to ensure that your money is safe and secure. If you're interested in learning more about Revolut, I encourage you to visit their website or download their app. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And until next time, stay safe and keep banking smart.